Here at iCity, we offer many accessories for almost every phone you possibly have. We have everything in stock, and if we don't have it for you, we'll get it for you. A new case is like a new phone. We have cases for iPhones, Samsung Galaxies, LGs, Pixels, and much, much more. We carry almost every case imaginable. OtterBox, spec cases, LifeProof. So if you're going to the beach, grab your LifeProof. If you're going out on a date tonight, get the Kate Spade case. We have everything to accommodate everyone. We carry portable chargers, LED cables, Bluetooth speakers, car holders, pop sockets, and we have premium tempered glass screen protectors for all model phones.
And I got a whole bunch of great things for my car and 2 plugs and jacks that they light up, and they're really cool, green and white. And I'm really excited to go home and plug my iPhone in.
You gotta come in and see the selection. And don't forget, mention that you saw me, David, in this video, and we'll give you $10 off any accessory. Located inside the Bridgewater Commons Mall at the Cheesecake Factory entrance, under the escalator, right outside of Starbucks. We'll see you soon.